Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. Good morning. This morning right now, this is like 10 minutes past 8 or something like that. Trying to check the time on the news. Okay guys, I decided to start today's vlog a bit early. Okay, so let's get into today's vlog. Okay guys, before we start the vlog, I just want to appreciate you all for your support, for watching my videos. I post video every day now. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. So today is Saturday the 7th. Yeah, 7th. Yeah, today should be 7. Yeah, so I hope I don't lose count of the day. But anyway, even if I do lose count of the day, I will still continue to post. And I'm sure eventually one of the video I will mention the correct date. Okay, but today is 7. So today's Saturday. I normally do cleaning, so I clean my bathroom, hoover first, all those things before I continue with the rest of the day. So today might be a little bit different. The only thing is I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming the cleaning this morning, because to position the camera in the bathroom to clean is a bit awkward. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. If I cannot film where I'm doing my cleaning, I'll show you guys the rest of the things I'm doing in the day. Okay, so I thought I would just start the vlog in the morning, then transit into afternoon, hopefully into early evenings before I post it. If not, I post it during the afternoon. All right guys, thanks for watching. Let's continue with the vlog, and don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, and happy weekend to you all. Saturday today, happy weekend to you all. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy my vlog as entertainment for today Saturday, and enjoy your weekend. So let's continue with the vlog, guys.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always let it try to rush things. You just
Okay guys, so I'm going to continue my cleaning, and then I'll take you guys along any other thing that I'm doing. Okay guys, because if I continue doing cleaning in this vlog, it means today's just going to be cleaning. Okay, but I have other things to, other little things here and there to do as well, which I want to see if I can include them in this vlog. Okay guys, so I'm going to continue my cleaning, and then when I finish cleaning, I'll take you guys around and show you what I'm up to and what I'm doing today Saturday next. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it, and enjoy watching. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, let's continue. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning now, and this is already past 2. Remember guys, I started in the morning around almost 8:30. Imagine if I was vlogging. Can you imagine the hours? You know, because my house is quite big, so it takes time for me to clean all the bathrooms. There's 3 bathrooms. You have to clean the whole of it, clean the rooms everywhere. It takes time. So I just finished cleaning now, and it's already past 2. So I want to try and fix my painting. I'll show you guys there. Is it painting or canvas wall? So that is the space I'm going to be putting it there. And there's another I'm thinking of here. What do you think, Precious? Guys, I'm thinking of putting the paintings over there and over there. So I don't know if I should remove this my photo from here and put it somewhere else, or just put all of them there. But I'll do it and show you guys. Let me quickly show you guys the painting. Okay guys, so this is the big one. That's the big one. And then I also got this small one, and I got those clothes there to sort out as well. So I got this small one, it's 2. There's 2 inside. Okay, so this small was £22 for the 2. Okay, it's upside down. So it's £22 for the 2. And this big one, let's show you guys properly. Let's see if it can stand here. Okay, so that's it. So this big one is £34. There was another big one that I was also thinking of buying, and I'm thinking of, oh, just zoom it so that you guys can see it properly. Okay, yeah, so this is the one that is there. So I don't even know if I should put it over here, if I should remove this one and put it there, or remove this one and transfer my wedding pictures over here to over here. Yeah guys, so that I can put this big one in the middle and put these 2 small ones next to it. I don't know yet, but I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay guys, so I need to go and make some spaghetti for my children. Yeah, because it's afternoon already, so I want to go and make spaghetti for them. I'll show you guys how I made my simple everyday lunch. Okay guys, yeah, I don't make spaghetti every day, just once in a while if they want spaghetti or if they don't know what to eat. So I just make spaghetti or pasta for them. So I think I'm going to be making spaghetti today. So I'll take you guys to the kitchen, and then after I show you guys what I've done with the painting, how I hang them on the wall. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I have put the painting here like this, but I think I need to get another painting to put where my picture is. I'm going to take this picture from here, and I'm going to put it next to the other one over there. Okay, so I've managed to hang it. It looks pretty. Just thought I would show you guys. I did a lot of mess though, a lot of holes on the wall, but I'm going to use the red paint to just touch them. They're not too visible. So those are the paintings, but I'm going to be getting 2 more. So yeah, so when I get the 2 more, I'll take you guys to B&Q with me, and I'll show you the 2 that I'm going to be buying. Then I'll come and replace them. I'm going to be putting the next one I'm going to be getting over there, and then the small one over there. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. I'll keep you guys updated when I buy the next wall art. Okay guys, let's go and make some lunch stroke. Where is lunch? Okay guys, so I'm going to put my spaghetti in there. The water is boiled. It's boiling rather. So normally I break my spaghetti into 2. Sorry guys, I open my kitchen window so there's some noise. I break it into 2. So that's how I normally do my spaghetti. I need to get some spoon over there to stir it, but let me see. Let me use this one. So this is a quick lunch. Yeah, the time is gone now. So this is like early evening. So let me say this is like lunch stroke dinner, you know. So it's early evening because I've been cleaning. Sometimes when I'm cleaning, that's what normally happens. It takes time for me to make lunch. That doesn't mean they haven't eaten some. They have eaten like sandwich and all that already. So this is like very much like it's like lunch stroke dinner. I hate flies. When you open the kitchen, the garden door, the flies will just run into the kitchen. Then you try to be chasing them away. Ugh. It's like as if I just saw one fly came in. So I'm going to be cooking the whole of this chicken, I think, yeah, because everybody's going to have chicken. So there's about 6, 7, 8 pieces in the pack. And it's very nice, you know, from Iceland, really yummy. And then I'm going to be cooking 2 of these. So I'm going to put them in the oven now while I cook the spaghetti. I've already preheat my oven. I already preheat the oven already. So I just put it, so make it cook faster once you preheat the oven first. So I always preheat my oven first. I'm going to be adding more water to this spaghetti. When it's almost like as if it's just a bit more to cook, not exactly cooked, then I'll drain the water almost out. Okay guys, so my spaghetti is cooked. Well, not cooked, so I'm going to be adding this to it. So what I'll do is I'll rinse the jar out. I'm going to rinse the bottle out with a bit of water. And then I'm going to add cooking oil to it. I'll add some cooking oil to it. Normally I'll just be adding everything. That's what I'm doing right now. I normally just add everything at once because the spaghetti is not, it's just a little bit more left for it to cook properly. So I just add everything. I'm going to be adding some salt, some chili pepper, curry, salt, and I'm going to be adding some chicken cube. So I'll just stir everything together. Before I add my mackerel. So this is a quick meal, quick spaghetti meal, lunch, dinner. Sometimes I use 2 of this. Sometimes if the spaghetti is too much, I use 2 of it. So maybe I'm going to add another of that. Yes, I'm going to add another of that bottle. I'll take another one and add to it. So another one. I'm going to be adding my mackerel to it now. Okay guys, so my spaghetti is ready. Just waiting for the chicken to cook properly and food is ready. Okay guys, it looks delicious. Yeah, let me put in a plate and show you guys. I don't want to move the camera. Let me just put in a plate so that you guys can see. Can you see how delicious that is looking? It looks yummy. It tastes yummy as well. So come and join me. Okay, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here. So today's another day. Today has ended. At least this is like to 5. Can you imagine? So this is dinner. This is dinner, okay guys? So dinner is ready to be eaten. We are going to be eating dinner now. Yeah, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here today. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in my tomorrow's vlog, Sunday. So it'll be Sunday vlog. So we'll see what Sunday have for us tomorrow. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, watching my everyday's vlog. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.